Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest gadgets and gear to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're reviewing the iLive THE2021BDL pop-up movie theater kit with built-in speaker, the ultimate solution for creating your own home cinema experience. If you're looking to bring the magic of the big screen to your living room or backyard, this is the kit you need. In this video, we'll walk you through the features, setup, and overall performance of this all-in-one movie theater kit. First off, let's talk about what's included in this package. The iLive pop-up movie theater kit is designed to provide you with everything you need for an immersive home theater experience. It comes with a projector, a Bluetooth speaker, and a 120-inch diagonal screen, making it the perfect setup for movie nights, gaming, or outdoor movie events. This all-in-one package is ideal for those who want a hassle-free solution without needing to purchase each component separately. Now, let's dive into the projector itself. The iLive projector boasts a native resolution of 800 by 480, which provides decent picture quality for casual movie watching. It's not the highest resolution available, but for the price, it's pretty solid. With a contrast ratio of 1000:1 and peak lumens of 2000, the picture is bright enough for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you're setting it up in a dark room or under the stars, the image quality is clear and vibrant. Another feature to highlight is the Bluetooth speaker included with the kit. This is a great addition, as it ensures that you don't need to worry about additional speakers or wires cluttering up your space. The built-in Bluetooth speaker connects easily to your devices, providing good sound quality to complement the visuals. It's not going to replace a high-end sound system, but for an outdoor movie night or a casual indoor viewing, it gets the job done. One of the standout features of this kit is the 120-inch screen. It's large enough to deliver that movie theater experience right in your own home. The screen has a 16:9 aspect ratio, which is perfect for widescreen movies and TV shows. Plus, it's foldable and portable, so you can easily take it outdoors or store it when not in use. It's easy to set up and takes up minimal space, making it a convenient option for anyone looking to host movie nights anywhere. Setting up the iLive pop-up movie theater kit is a breeze. The projector has an adjustable display distance of 3.9 feet to 12.1 feet, giving you the flexibility to set it up in various room sizes or outdoor spaces. Whether you're projecting on a wall or the included screen, you can adjust the projector to achieve the best picture size and focus. So, what's the verdict? The iLive THE2021BDL pop-up movie theater kit is a fantastic budget-friendly option for anyone looking to create a home cinema without breaking the bank. It's easy to set up, portable, and includes all the essentials you need for a great viewing experience. While the resolution and sound quality may not match premium models, it offers great value for the price, especially if you're looking for an affordable home theater setup. That wraps up our review of the iLive pop-up movie theater kit with speaker. If you're in the market for a simple and cost-effective way to enjoy movies at home or outdoors, this is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.